Technical production is good because it's really hands-on. It's not your typical, lecture style course or lab style course. It's you are working in Kelsey Theater, filling in the holes that need the most support and working under the technical director to get the most hands-on experience. It's like 12 private companies that do shows out here, like what's playing right now. It gives the lessons in the theater a more sense of professionalism because this is an actual theater company doing their job. They are acting. And so when we're working in the theater with them, we have to act professionally and pretend that we're working when we're just learning. I still do not know what I really want to do. I know I want to do something technical theater, but that's what this whole program, this whole major is really good about, is it gives you time in all of the departments, whether that be lighting or sound or the actual set design, and even there is some theater management, theater business involved that lets you experience everything. So then you can go on to pick a specific track. A lot of it is almost MacGyvering professionally, and you have to make something happen in a short amount of time so that a bunch of people can come in to see it, and doing that hard work behind that is probably my favorite part. I enjoy it a lot because, people don't often think about what's happening behind the scenes to make what's happening on the stage look good, and that's where I thrive best.